How to replace the hub on the M3i Studio and Studio Plus bike. Tools and materials for this procedure are shown on screen and listed in the video description below. We'll begin with the covers, belt, and flywheel removed. Here's a brief refresher on the procedure. Remove the dome decal and hub wire sticker. Disconnect the hub wire from the pickup circuit board and back out the wire from the axle. Remove the hub bolt and washer using a ratchet and a 13mm socket. Please note, the grooves on the hub are sharp. Use caution when handling the hub. Release the hub from the axle. If equipped with a rubber grommet, remove and discard. The grommet is retired and no longer required. Installation. Prepare the replacement hub by removing the protective cap. Route the hub wire through the wire port of the axle shaft. Lead the wire from the back end of the axle, then engage the hub alignment tool into the axle shaft and push the hub into position. Ensure the hub is fully seated with the hub face flush with the axle shaft. Install the bolt with washer. Torque 20 foot-pounds, 27 Newton-meters. Continuity test is highly recommended. An adapter is featured here in the video, but you can substitute it by directly connecting the probes to the exposed metal of the connector pins. Turn on the multimeter and switch to continuity or ohms mode. Connect the remaining probe and observe the readout. Approximately 47 ohms is passing. Next, make contact between a probe and the hub bolt on the axle shaft. Overload or OL reading is passing. Test complete. Remove the multimeter and adapter wire to continue with the installation procedure. To connect the hub wire, route through the port on the axle. Connect the hub wire to the pickup circuit board. Install the dome decal onto the axle. Pull the leading end of the hub wire to set it flat and into the groove on the axle. Install the hub wire sticker at about 1/8 of an inch away from the wire port. Lay the wire in the groove as you set the decal into position. It is critical for the wire to set completely into the groove. Its purpose is to prevent the wire from making contact with the flywheel. Install the belt using the belt tool. With the smooth side of the belt face up, route the belt under the idler and over the hub. Lay the leading end of the belt over the pulley, and center the belt over the hub and pulley. Wedge the belt protector between the pulley and the belt at about the 3 o'clock position. Crank the pedal forward to drive the belt onto the pulley. Correct any belt alignment issues using the belt tool. Use the belt tool to push or pull the belt in the direction of the exposed grooves as you crank until no grooves are exposed and proper alignment is achieved. And before installing the flywheel and covers, pedal and check that the display powers on. Reinstall the flywheel and covers to complete the installation. This completes the hub installation on the Studio and Studio Plus bike. As always, check your work before use. Pedal to ensure the flywheel spins straight and true and free from rubbing, squeaks, or scratch noises. We hope that you found this walkthrough helpful. If you have any questions or to order replacement parts, visit KEISER.com/support. And thanks for watching.